Okay, so lightning might not be perfect, the recording might not be perfect, but I'm not home, as you can see right now, and I still want to continue making videos with interesting news that I found throughout the weekends, and I want to make this into a series, so bear with me because there's some interesting information by Bloomberg that just came out. I just got my iPad and put it on and started recording. And venture capital makes a record 7 billion bet on crypto world. In my opinion, that's massive, and this will tie up with the cryptocurrencies that we've grown to love, like Shiba Inu, and we'll also do some technical analysis on Shiba Inu because there's some information around in the last 24 hours. The last video I actually recorded was 24 hours ago, so let's talk. For venture capital makes a record 7 billion bet. It's an article by Bloomberg. You can read the whole thing on their website, but for a sense of just how big everything crypto has become, you can of course just take a look at coin and token prices, and then you can check again 5 minutes later to see if the space notorious volatility has markedly changed for the first observation. That's useless information, in my opinion. It's who's writing this? But for a more stable measure of the industry's growth, consider this: venture capital fund has already poured 17 billion this year into companies that operate in this space, according to data provider PitchBook. Let me give you an example of why they're interested in information like this. If we just go on Google Trends, change this to United States, which should be somewhere United States. Here it is, and we just type in crypto, right, or Bitcoin in the search bar. In the last 12 months, web search has grown up significantly. As with the beginning of the pandemic, it was high, right? Crypto crisis definitely went up, but appeal actually went up a lot after we had the biggest crypto percentage increase, right? We had the biggest crypto percentage increase, you could say, in November, December, but the interest overall is higher now. So you can see why venture capitals would be interested in things like this. And since I'm someone that actually sold and dived into online businesses, all that jazz, I have an e-commerce website. I tried to sell it on Flippa. I've sold some stuff here, and one of the things that venture capitals look into, or investors, is the trend in the niche you are in. Because normally, for example, my e-commerce business is in a very tight niche. They will check Google Trends, and this is the first thing they will do. Even we do that on every video because I want to keep you up to date with how this works and with my strategies. But while we are at it, you probably know that I have a YouTube channel. You're watching it. It's called the Dr. Niki channel, and I upload a lot of videos every single day. In the last 30 days, I think over 700. Now it's 5 to 10 videos with news, the latest, the most important news for the day. So if you want to support me, like the video for the algorithm, subscribe if you're new. The cool thing when you subscribe is you will be up to date with everything, and I'm here to serve you and bring you the latest information first. Each like helps out the channel because it pushes the video within the algorithm. And I've also partnered up with Bybit to bring a special promotion. If you go into any video, even this video that you're watching right now, you'll probably see an ad, which means I earn a little bit of money. But below you see a few links. First, you can buy Shiba Inu using my link in the description down below from Binance, which is an affiliate income for me, and you're supporting the channel. You can also sign up to Bybit, and since I'm sponsored by them full-time, I've partnered up with them to bring you a dedicated promotion that just only I can give you, right? If you only use my link, I try to ask them for $25 bonus for everyone that just deposits $100. So even if you're new to crypto, you want to buy some crypto, that's a cool thing. I like Bybit. It doesn't work for US residents, you gotta use a VPN, or for US residents you can use this link to sign up for Gate.io. And I think we have nearly 1,000 people that sign up under me for Gate.io. So thank you to everyone that did that. So let's go back into the news. They've invested a lot of money, pretty much. You can see all the deals, big deals. Bullish Global has attracted 10.3 billion capital in 2021. Crypto space is definitely interesting for investors, but here's the interesting part. Where does that lead us? Because this weekend we had a massive dip, you would think. If you're not watching the channel. If you're watching the channel, we expected a dip. We talked about it. We said 41k was going to be a big resistance when we pretty much said that in the beginning of June. Here we said this is the resistance, this is the support, this is a major support and resistance that we have. Some call it a head and shoulders pattern. I hope it's not. It all comes down to will we break 30k. If we break 30k, if we break 29k, we're gonna go to 20k. That's very likely. Again, this is no financial advice. Everything I'm saying is just my opinion. But here's what I think about Shiba Inu today. So what I drew yesterday or 2 days ago was we have major support, right? And whales bought in at around this area. But right now, things are going. Let me check. What did I say yesterday? So yesterday I said we were here. We were at 760, and said the main event we're waiting for is the coinbase announcing the listing, right, for Shiba Inu. So everyone is pretty much waiting for that right now. But it won't happen during the weekend. It's not likely, in my opinion. In my opinion, it will happen around this time, which is like lunchtime, New York, on Monday. This is my opinion, right? So it should be around this. This is what we drew yesterday. And I said that we should be trading upwards because this is a very good entry where whales buy in historically, and I showed why on my channel, right? If you go here to this, where is it? This video. Right, where is it? I think on any of these videos, I've talked about it yesterday, I've showed you the drawings, that this is a key level of support where people buy in. So after the news, we're expecting an incremental increase. And I said if we actually break, this structure and break the 700 structure, there's very strong support at 650, so that's not a bad thing, right? It's not that bad. But the most important thing right now is to just hold at a good position until the announcement, so we can have more momentum after it to maybe have an over 50% increase. If the video helped you out, give me a like, because as I said, I'm here to serve you, the viewer, with the latest updates in the crypto space. Again, like, subscribe. I want to see you next video. Bye.